Greetings, dear students. Welcome to my session. In the previous session, we discussed about the history of blue jeans and the background story of blue jeans and how the blue jeans have existed and came to the modern world. This is how we brief little about the background of blue jeans. In fact, rather. Today in this video, we'll discuss about how actually blue jeans are invented, what are the raw materials are used to prepare blue jeans, the process of manufacturing blue jeans, denim clothes, the level process part by part, the final making of jeans, blue jeans, and the testing of quality control of blue jeans. So dear students, let's get into the lesson. First one, how they were invented. Blue jeans actually are in the form of that we know them today did not come until the middle of 19th century. A person called Levi Strauss, he was an entrepreneur, a businessman who immigrated to America, who happened to have a few bolts of blue denim cloth on hand. Recognized a need of strong work pants in the mining communities of California. He first designed and marketed as Levi's. Levi's is a brand till now in America. It was actually started in the year of 1850. And still the brand of Levi's has stayed essentially the same ever since. But we could only see minor alterations to the original design of Levi's. The original Levi's did not contain rivets. A tailor by the name of Jacob Davis invented rivets pants at the request of a miner who complained that regular pants were not rugged enough to hold his mining tools. Davis subsequently granted Strauss the use of his rivets idea, which was patented on 20th May 1873. A few other changes were made over the next centuries. Zippers replaced by buttons, rivets on the back pockets were moved inside. Because of in response to complaints from school, the jeans the students who damaging the chase the city, and complaints even came from cowboys that their jeans were damaging their saddles and the place they sit. So in the year 1960s, they were all removed entirely from the back pockets. This is how the blue jeans are invented. The next one we will discuss is raw materials used to prepare blue jeans. True blue jeans are made out of 100% cotton. We know it, including the threads used for stitching them. The most common they used is synthetic indigo. The belt loops, waistband, back panel, pockets and leggings are all made of indigo dyed denim. Other features of blue jeans include the zippers, the buttons, the rivets, and the labels. Rivets have been traditionally made of copper, but the zippers and the buttons are actually used steel. Designers' labels are often tags made out of cloth, leather, or plastic, while others are embroidered on rich cotton thread. The next part we will learn the process of preparing denim cloth. In order to manufacture clothes, first the fabric has to be prepared. This has to be done in 3 stages. Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3. The Stage 1 is preparing the cotton yarn. The Stage 2 is dyeing the yarn. Stage 3 is weaving the yarn. Let's learn the Stage 1 process, preparing the cotton yarn. There are several steps to be taken before the ginned cotton. The cotton has been picked from the fields and processed. Becomes cotton yarn. The incoming cotton is removed from tightly packed bales and inspected before undergoing a process known as a carding. In this process, the cotton is put through a machine that contains brushes with bent wire teeth. These brushes, called carves, clean, entangle, straighten, and gather together the cotton fibers. At this point, the fibers are called sleeves. Other machines join several sleeves. Other machines join several slivers together, and these slivers are then pulled and twisted, which serves to make the other thread stronger. Next, these ropes are put on spinning machines that further twist and stretch the fibers to form yarn. So this is the process of preparing the cotton yarn. The second process is dyeing the yarn. Some fabrics are woven and then dyed, but denim is usually dyed with chemically synthesized indigo before being woven. Large balls of yarn called ball warps, which are dipped in the indigo mixture several times so that the dye covers the yarn in layers. These many layers of indigo dye explain why blue jean fades lightly with each washing. The dyed yarn is then slashed, that is, it is coated with sizing. Any one of a variety of starchy substances happens to be coated with sizing to make the threads stronger and stiffer. Once this operation is complete, the yarn threads are ready to be woven with undyed filling yarn threads. This is a process of dyeing the yarn. The next stage, the last stage, is weaving the yarn. The yarn is then woven in large mechanical looms. Denim is not 100% blue, as the blue dyed threads form in the yarn are combined with white threads forming the weft, which is shorter horizontal threads. Because denim is woven with the blue threads packed closer together than the white threads and with blue threads covering 3 out of 4 white threads. The blue color dominates. Although mechanized looms make use of the same basic weaving procedure as a single handloom loom. They are much larger and faster. At this point, the denim is ready for finishing. The cloth is brushed to remove loose threads and lint, and the denim is usually skewed in a way that will prevent it from twisting when it is made into clothing. The denim may then be sand fossil or pre-shrunk. Pre-shrunk denim should shrink no more than 3% after 3 washings. So this is actually the process of weaving yarn. Hope, my dear students, you have learned the 3 stages of preparing or manufacturing denim cloth. In the next session, in the next video, we will try to discuss about the full making of blue jeans and quality assurance, quality control of blue jeans. Thank you, dear students. Happy learning.